real.
When your cameras roll, our experts react.
Jaw-dropping.
Weather Gone Viral, Sunday nights at 9, here on the Weather Channel.
A high wind watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 62 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, mainly clear, low 55, winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday, sunshine and clouds mixed, slight chance of a rain shower, high 74. Wednesday night, partly cloudy skies, low 48. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Hurricane season doesn't stop for a pandemic, and neither do we.
From this point forward, conditions will continue to deteriorate.
Don't let COVID-19 take your eye off the tropics. This year's threat is more complex and dangerous than ever before.
Remain vigilant, pay close attention to the Weather Channel.
No one can cover this historic hurricane season better than the Weather Channel. Get the information you need to stay safe every day. Storm safety in a pandemic, all season long, right here on the Weather Channel.
And we're here on Weather